Hello, beautiful magic makers. I am sharing this real short video, inviting you to my Black Friday special preppers workshop. I used to be very against Black Friday specials. I didn't do it for a long time. I always scoffed at the idea of doing a Black Friday special. And then one year I needed some cash and I did a Black Friday special and I made thousands of dollars over the course of that weekend. Like lots of thousands. And so now I do a Black Friday special every year. And on the date, on the page here, I believe it's November 1st, I'm going to be teaching a workshop for you to come through a process where we map out your Black Friday specials. I help give you the to-do lists and plan out your special, the price points, the email marketing that you're going to do over Black Friday weekend, and all the things that are necessary for you so that you get your stuff in order and you get the best possible Black Friday special so you too can make thousands of dollars when Black Friday comes around, so you can afford to pay for all those things that you're going to buy on Black Friday from other people who are doing Black Friday specials. If you're interested, I highly recommend you join the workshop. It's free to all Magic Mind members. So if you're already in the Magic Mind, don't worry. You can subscribe inside of the community space. If you're not in the Magic Mind and you want to join this, I've made it a very good deal so that you can get yourself organized and make a bunch of money. You will probably, most likely, I would think definitely, get your money back from this training. So click on the link, click on the button, sign up today, and I'll see you at the Black Friday special preppers training. Woohoo!